Welcome students, there is a problem about coefficient of restitution E. We have studied in collision. The problem is that if a ball is dropped from a height B gauge, that is from this h, then it comes down to a height h1, then h2, then h3 and so on and so forth. H3 is this one. So like this things, the question is set, suppose a ball is thrown from a height B gauge, then it ascends to a height small h1, small h2, small h3, ... What is the total distance and time it is covered? Now let us do one thing. Total distance travelled, that is, what is the total distance travelled? B gauge plus twice h1 plus twice h2 plus twice h3. Why? Because once it is falling from B gauge, then it goes to h1, then again it drops here, again it goes to height h2, twice h3, like this it goes on. So B gauge plus twice h1 plus twice h2 and so on. So B gauge plus 2 into small h1 plus small h2 plus ... So now come to this equation. V by u, that is according to the coefficient of restitution, velocity after separation by velocity before approach, equals to E, equals to root under 2g h1 by 2g B gauge. Okay, that is 2g h1 by 2g B gauge. So here you can say E square equal to h1 by B gauge. So h1 equals to, small h1 equals to E square into B gauge. So similarly we can write h2, small h2 equal to e to the power 4 into B gauge. So put this value in this equation. So now we will get it, B gauge plus 2 into E square into B gauge in case of h1, and in case of h2 e to the power 4 into h and so on. So B gauge plus 2 E square B gauge common we are taking, 1 plus E square plus e to the power 4 plus ... up to these things. So B gauge into 1 plus 2 E square into 1 by 1 minus E square, 1 minus E square, because in infinite series it starts from 1 and it ends at infinity. So first term we have to take it by 1 divided by 1 minus the second term. Next, so B gauge into 1 plus E square by 1 minus E square. So this is the total distance travelled. Now coming to the total time it has taken, we can come to this equation. B gauge equals to half into gt square. So let the time taken from ball from falling to height B gauge to the ground is small t. So small t equal to root under 2 B gauge by g. G is the accelerated gravity. So t equals to total time, that is, here we should mention here net time, or tt, here we can give it here total time. So total time is taken for falling this one, equals to small t plus 2 into t1 plus t2 plus ... t1 t2, as we know, falling from height h1 will be t1, falling from height h2 will be t2, falling from h3 will be t3 and so on. So t is given by root under 2 B gauge by g, plus t1 is 2 into root under 2 into small h1 by g, plus root under 2 into small h2 by g and so on. So root under 2h by g plus 2 into, putting the value of h1, it is E square into B gauge, that we have derived in the previous way, and h2 is e to the power 4 into B gauge. So root under 2h by g plus 2 into root under 2 E square B gauge by g plus root under 2 e to the power 4 B gauge by g plus ... Next we come root under 2h by g plus 2 into 2 times, because since it is following t1, it is taking 2t1. So 2t1, 2t2, 2t3, like this way. So 2 into root under 2h by g into 1 e plus e square, because square root of e square is e, square root of e to the power 4 is e square. E plus e square plus ... So root under 2h by g into 1 plus 2e into 1 plus e plus e square plus ... So 1 plus 2e, again we said first term divided by first term minus second term if it starts from 1. So now it is coming root under 2h by g into 1 plus e by 1 minus e. Thank you, students.